Video-focused mirrorless cameras have exploded in capability during 2026, with features that rival cinema cameras costing 10 times more just years ago. From 6K internal recording to advanced autofocus and professional codecs, today's hybrid cameras deliver broadcast-quality footage in compact packages. We've tested dozens of mirrorless cameras specifically for video production, measuring autofocus performance, rolling shutter, overheating, codec quality, and real-world usability to find which ones actually deliver for professional work. Today we're revealing the only 5 mirrorless cameras you genuinely need for video in 2026. Number 5. Panasonic Lumix S5 II, $1999. The Panasonic Lumix S5 II starts our list as the first Lumix with phase detect autofocus, finally competing with Sony and Canon. This full-frame camera records 6K 30fps and 4K 60fps internally, with 10-bit 4.2.2 color, providing professional codec quality. The phase detect autofocus represents massive improvement over contrast detect systems plaguing previous Lumix models for years, frustratingly. Testing showed autofocus performs adequately for general use, though still lags behind Sony and Canon during fast-paced action scenarios. The full-frame sensor delivers excellent low-light performance with impressive dynamic range capturing detail in shadows and highlights simultaneously. Unlimited recording time eliminates 30-minute limits, frustrating European market restrictions that crippled competitors artificially for regulatory compliance. The fully articulating screen enables high and low angle shooting, though screen quality disappoints with lower resolution than competitors. In-body image stabilization provides up to 6.5 stops of shake reduction, enabling handheld shooting without gimbal requirements constantly. Video autofocus, though improved, still hunts occasionally during focus transitions, creating distracting pulsing that requires manual intervention or careful shooting. Number 4. Sony A7 IV, $2499. The Sony A7 IV takes the 4th position as the versatile hybrid, excelling at both photography and video without major compromises. This full-frame camera records 4K 60fps with 10-bit 4.2.2 internally, though lacks 6K or 8K options competitors now offer. Sony's autofocus system remains industry-leading with reliable subject tracking for humans, animals, and vehicles working flawlessly in challenging conditions. The real-time tracking maintains focus on subjects even during rapid movement and partial occlusion that confuses competitor systems. Rolling shutter performance proves adequate though noticeable during fast pans, creating jello effect that 4K 120fps mode reduces significantly. The fully articulating screen enables flexible shooting angles, though the menu system remains notoriously complex, frustrating new users constantly. Battery life improved dramatically over previous generation with 520 shots per charge, though video drains power significantly faster. S-Log3 recording provides excellent dynamic range, enabling professional color grading, though requires proper exposure to avoid noisy shadows. The overheating limits disappeared with active cooling mode, allowing extended recording sessions without frustrating shutdowns mid-shoot. Dual card slots with UHS-2 support provide reliable backup recording essential for paid professional work without retake possibilities. At $2,499, this delivers reliable autofocus with hybrid versatility. Number 3. Canon EOS R6 Mark II, $2499. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II claims the 3rd spot as the overheating fix successor, delivering reliable 4K 60fps without thermal shutdowns. This full-frame camera records 6K RAW externally via HDMI, enabling maximum quality for professional productions requiring extensive grading. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 provides buttery smooth focus transitions with natural-looking rack focuses that manual pullers struggle matching. The autofocus subject detection for people, animals, and vehicles works flawlessly with eye tracking, maintaining focus even during rapid movement. Continuous 4K 60fps recording now works reliably without overheating that plagued original R6, destroying reliability for professional use. The fully articulating touchscreen provides intuitive control with excellent responsiveness, though screen resolution could be sharper for critical focus. In-body image stabilization provides up to 8 stops of shake reduction, enabling smooth handheld footage without gimbal requirements. Canon Log3 recording delivers 14+ stops of dynamic range, providing extensive grading flexibility, though requires careful exposure avoiding clipping. Rolling shutter performance improved significantly with faster sensor readout reducing jello effect during panning and fast movement substantially. Number 2. Fujifilm X-H2S 2499. The Fujifilm X-H2S secures the runner-up position as the APS-C speed demon, delivering 6.2K 30fps with exceptional rolling shutter performance. This crop sensor camera features stacked sensor design enabling incredibly fast readout reducing rolling shutter dramatically compared to competitors. The 6.2K internal recording with Apple ProRes codec options provides professional workflow efficiency for Final Cut Pro users extensively. Autofocus performance improved dramatically with AI-powered subject detection tracking people, animals, and vehicles reliably throughout complex scenes. The crop factor actually benefits video shooters providing extra reach with telephoto lenses while maintaining shallower depth of field than expected. F-Log2 recording delivers over 13 stops of dynamic range, providing grading flexibility rivaling full-frame alternatives at this price point. The fully articulating screen with high brightness enables outdoor shooting in direct sunlight without hood requirements constantly blocking view. Rolling shutter performance measures among best available with minimal jello effect during fast pans that plagues full-frame alternatives significantly. In-body image stabilization provides 7 stops of shake reduction, though crop factor makes stabilization more challenging than full-frame alternatives. Number 1. Sony FX30 $1,799. Taking the top spot as the only mirrorless camera you actually need for video in 2026 is the Sony FX30. The dedicated video camera destroying hybrid alternatives. This APS-C powerhouse records 4K 120fps internally with 10-bit 4.2.2, providing incredible slow-motion capability without external recorders. The Super 35mm sensor, optimized specifically for video, delivers exceptional image quality with minimal rolling shutter and excellent dynamic range. Sony's CinemaLine color science matches FX6 and FX9 cinema cameras, enabling seamless multicam shoots mixing camera bodies professionally. Active image stabilization rivals gimbal performance, enabling smooth handheld footage without additional stabilization equipment required constantly throughout shoots. The unlimited recording time without overheating enables extended interviews, events, and documentary work without frustrating 30-minute limits or thermal shutdowns. Dual XLR inputs with professional audio controls eliminate external recorders for most productions, simplifying workflow and reducing equipment needed. Sony's autofocus system provides industry-leading performance with reliable subject tracking, maintaining focus during complex movement and challenging scenarios. The dedicated video controls with customizable buttons enable quick adjustments without diving into menus during time-sensitive shooting situations.